Welcome to Dolphin Tank. It's not that pigmented. My least favorite. Sorry, I'm so sorry. I feel so bad. As for the taste, I would give it 3 on 10. Hi, I'm Haley and this is my bedroom where I pretend to be in my favorite TV shows, which has been Shark Tank for years and years now. And since India ka 4th season I had to pick out some more stuff, some new brands to try out. So let's begin. Now the first one is Fay Beauty. Inka lip whip itne time se viral hai, but I have not tried anything from them yet. Maybe I had ordered a trio of their glosses because इनके lip products are famous ना तो and I love mini products बैग में डालने को इतना convenient होता है. This is their mini peptide gloss trio. अच्छी लगी है मुझे packaging, like this is giving me very makeup by Mario vibes. Love the font. Oh, ऊपर shades भी है. Super packaging, like I would give this 10 on 10. I will try to pretend to be a shark, but because this is the Dolphin Tank, we will be sweeter with the feedback. But हम feedback जरूर देंगे जैसे कि हम investor हो. The 3 shades are Emerging, Living and Giving. काफ़ी अच्छे शेड नेम्स है. रेयर ब्यूटी में कैसे पॉजिटिव शेड नेम्स होते हैं वैसा उन्होंने किया है. एंड दिस पैक ऑफ 3 इज प्राइस एट 650 रुपीज़. नॉट बैड एट ऑल. फॉरेन के जो सारे ब्रांड्स हैं ना उसमें 650 मतलब लेस देन $10. $7-8 में तो मिनी एक ही आता, नॉट 3. So they're definitely giving us the advantage of it being made in India, if I'm not wrong. Is it made in India? Manufactured by Ahmedabad का company. Yes, it is made in India. एक और डिटेलिंग बताओ. बाहर पे शेड नेम्स लिखे है ना. Look at it when we open. अंदर भी शेड नेम्स लिखे है. ये सब चीज़ों में बहुत दिमाग डाला है. Appreciated a lot. Let's try all 3. मैंने बिल्कुल लिप्स पे कुछ नहीं लगाया है, just so that we can try all these 3. Giving is the first one. This looks like a reddish. I can't say pink, but I have a feeling कि लिप्स पे पिंक लग सकता है. Let's try. That is juicy. बहुत मन कर रहा है यहीं से उठा के लगा लो. Because who likes to waste product? I'm trying to figure कि ये हाइड्रेटिंग लग रहा है कि नहीं लग रहा है. लग तो रहा है. Like it is giving a balmy texture and color is there. Like it matches my kurti perfectly. What do you think? अच्छा तो लग रहा है ना? And इतना सारा यूज भी नहीं हुआ. This should last us a couple of months for sure. Great price for the quality यार. Okay, this next shade is called Emerging. It looks like a nude but shimmery nude. Please be good. Hair. Oh my god, I love this. It has a glossy plumping look, but it's not plumping also. मतलब वो tingling sensation है. It's just making my lips look so good without making me feel uncomfortable. And with having no color, I'm not making sense. I know, but ये बहुत सही लग रहा है. इधर से भी पता है when I'm moving my hand, do you see the shine? This one has crazy. Fay Beauty is onto something. Time for the last shade, which is Living. Living looks like a brick brownie tone. Is Living going to be giving? Oh, yummy. Cherry chocolate is the word coming to my mind looking at this color. इतना कलर नहीं है. Look at my top lip. उस पर कुछ है नहीं अभी. It's not that pigmented. It's looking very pretty, but I expected it to have more color. My least favorite shade of the 3 so far, but it's still pretty good. Not comparing to the other 2, I would give this like an 8 on 10. But Emerging and Giving were giving. My god. Fay Beauty has really impressed me. I would give this brand 9 out of 10. Let me wipe this off and meet you with the second brand. Tell me, did you miss me in long form though? I miss talking to you. ऐसा लग रहा है मैं कितने महीनों बाद ऐसे बनाना बैठ के बात कर रही हूँ. Okay, next brand is Ruby's Organics. Funny story, this is not the first time I'm trying something from them. I have tried their products 4 years ago and I did not have a good experience back then. I had bought a mascara. I was really into natural makeup back then and Ruby's was one of the only brands I found back then, and Soul Tree was another brand. तो Ruby's वाला mascara में से मुझे बहुत smell आ रही थी and I think in a month it got even worse, the smell, when the expiry was not a month. So that is my last experience with them, but of course it's been so many years, so I have to give them a second shot. Look at the packaging. I have ordered a growth oil for my lash and eyebrows. This is clear. Again, I love natural beauty products which are making my skin better while I'm having them. Forest Essentials is my favorite brand. If I'm doing a little bit of everyday makeup, it will be Forest Essentials का वो concealer in the shade Badam and any of the blush. I have 3 of the blushes. So this can be that, and Forest is expensive. 2000 के नीचे I don't think they have any makeup product except the kajal. So if I like this, I might buy more stuff from Ruby. Packaging में बहुत ज़्यादा information है. I would just like it to have growth oil in bold. This was for 700 rupees for this one thing. Ooh, ये मुझे थोड़ा off लग रहा है. because if it's clear, why is it in a brown packaging? Maybe oxidation prevent करने के लिए होगा. But you know, these transparent products can go bad. If they go bad, then I can see through a clear packaging if it turns yellow. If this turns yellow, how will I find that out? Because I know हर product की expiry लिखी होती है, but not on this. डब्बा तो मैं फेंक दूंगी, so that is a bit of a problem. Okay, let's apply this. मैंने ब्राउ पे भी कुछ नहीं लगाया, पर कल ही किए थे मैंने ब्राउज. I should have not done them yesterday, वरना पता चलता ना आज कि मेरी शिनचैन आईब्रोज पे कैसे परफॉर्म करता है. Is it giving any hold? I don't know. Oh, it smells very, very strong तेल का smell, but it's Ayurvedic, so what was I expecting? I do think it's making my brows fuller, but for some reason I was expecting this to perform like Forest Essentials का. I'm obsessed with that brand, I'm sorry, but they're a direct competitor, right? Natural products, उनका थोड़ा gel consistency होता है, so it actually stays and it gives my brows some kind of shape. Let's try on the lashes. मैंने lashes पे भी आज eyeliner या mascara नहीं किया because this is a lash growth oil, right? So can this replace mascara to some extent? खुली तो लग रही है. Credit has to be given where it is due. I like that. And thankfully my eyes are not burning also. You can literally see the oil. You can see the shine na? You can see the oil. Oh बाप रे. Oil on my finger. बहुत ज़्यादा है. Branding could have been better. Also this packaging, not the biggest fan. I told you all my problems with it. And lastly the product. I wanted it to be more skincare meets makeup. Right now this feels like 90% skincare, 10% makeup. But if it becomes like a gel-like consistency or maybe something that gives more hold, तो ये मेकअप के कैटेगरी में जा सकता है. अभी ये स्किन केयर के कैटेगरी में ही है, but I want a brand that meets both. So I'll give the product 7 on 10 first impressions. Oh, ये करे थे. Now we have a lot of food, so all my foodies, gather yourselves. We have 3 fun brands to try. The first one is called Boba Bhai. I loved my Thai teas in Thailand. I went to Thailand for the trip after the wedding, and when I saw that on their menu, I was sold. पहले मैंने चिली मैंगो ऑर्डर किया था. ऑर्डर नहीं किया था, ऑर्डर करने वाली थी, but then I saw this, so I said सब छोड़ो. I know what an authentic Thai tea is supposed to taste like, so I can rate on that exactly. And description में बहुत अच्छी चीजें लिखी that is authentic. Let me get it. It's in the fridge right now. Look at the packaging. इतना fun and quirky packaging कभी भी Swiggy पे मेरे को नहीं आया है. They've literally made a carton as well. Too good. मतलब experience दे रहे पता है पूरा. उस पे भी बूबा भाई लिखा है. Of course this bottle is going to be reused by my mother, who is obsessed with collecting bottles and jars. It doesn't smell like the Thai teas that I've tried before. Let's give it a shot because I can't wait. इसमें straw दिया है bubble tea का. I think I should be using that ना, क्योंकि नीचे है सारे bubbles. But this is what it looks like. ये रहे सारे bubbles इधर नीचे. And ऊपर I think Nattu the coconut jelly है. I'm pronouncing it wrong mostly. निकाल straw. Good things always take time. The first 3 seconds I was like, this is nothing like Thai tea. But the hit after that, it is like Thai tea. Oh my god, I love Thai tea. और कितनी सारी कोकोनट जेली है, लाइक नीचे तक आ रही है. बोबा भाई might become my new addiction. The price point without the coupon it was costing me 278 क्योंकि मैंने I think 30 rupees का कोकोनट जेली डाला था. 230 to 40 का Thai tea था, and I got a 100 rupee coupon called Try New on Swiggy because maybe I was ordering from them for the first time. So I just paid 228 including all the taxes and everything. I don't know why I want to give them 9 on 10. I give them 10 on 10. I have no complaints. Super packaging. Packaging has been the best so far because for a food delivery app this is revolutionary. Like इतना अच्छा packaging I've not seen. Taste is also bang on, so there's no complaints. Love it. I have an ice cream plan because it's so terribly hot outside. I haven't been loving the बचपन का ice creams anymore because my sweet tooth has reduced a lot. मेरे को बहुत sweet desserts ना भी उतने पसंद नहीं आ रहे. So we're gonna try Go Zero today. पहले I think मैंने Waterway देखा था on Shark Tank like ages ago, and I did try them. I love them. So let's see if Go Zero is even better than them. इसका shelf life is 1 year. That's crazy. मेरे से melt हो गई यार, मेरे से melt हो गई. मैंने इसको निकाल के रख दिया था freezer से. क्यों किया मैंने ऐसा? Come on, like everybody does this. I'm not the only one. अरे यार, the best part of a cone is stuck on the lid. वो सारी frozen chocolate नहीं होती that you can see on the side right now. The flavor I ordered is Death by Chocolate. Amul ka Tricone used to be my favorite. It is Okay, if I hear Death by Chocolate, I'm expecting Baskin Robbins का Madagascar level का ice cream. This just tastes like normal chocolate ice cream. इसमें मुझे कुछ ऐसा like Death by Chocolate needs to have more texture ना, अंदर chocolate के pieces होने चाहिए, या ये और dark और indulgent होना चाहिए. This is feeling very average. This has 159 calories as mentioned on the packet. Like I used to do with my Amul Tricones बचपन में, I would like to give this ice cream to my mother, who will finish the ice cream and then give me नीचे का chocolate part. मैं बचपन में यही करती थी, मैं आज भी यही करना चाहूँगी because I didn't love the ice cream flavor that much. अगर मुझे नहीं पता होता कि this brand doesn't have sugar, मुझे नहीं पता चलता था. So I give it like 9 on 10 for the taste, but I expect it to be more premium because this was 100 rupees after discount. Otherwise I think it's 125 rupees or something. So it is a premium price point. तो flavor भी थोड़ा enhanced होना चाहिए था. While mom is finishing the ice cream, थोड़ा मुंह तीखा कर लेते हैं because unfortunately all three brands of mine are sweet brands. So before we go to the third brand, let's have some classic red banana wafers. Everybody who loves these, we are friends. Goes without saying. So good. मम्मी ने आइसक्रीम खा के दे दी है and yes, I'm so happy they've kept the chocolate in the end because that would have been a deal maker or breaker. Chocolate इतनी smooth है. Packaging could have been more attractive. Packaging I'll give like 5 on 10. They're focusing a lot on the brand name. Make it more attractive. कि कैडबरी का कैसा पर्पल वाला स्ट्रैटेजी है, वो रैपर देख के खींचता है. इसका पैकेजिंग में ऐसा कुछ स्पेशल नहीं लगा मुझे. But the taste I'll give it 7 on 10. It needs to be more indulgent and creamy to compete at that price point. This is tasting just like a general ice cream. Differentiator होना जरूरी है. Just being sugar free doesn't solve the purpose for someone like me. So I personally give it 7 on 10. The last brand is not Zepto. It is Eat Better Co. We have 3 things from them: laddu, chocolate coated almonds and chocolate coated cashews. These are the laddus. ये vanilla chocolate flavor है. I actually wanted the hazelnut flavor, which just sold out when I was paying. COD कर लेती यार मैं जाते. And then we have no added sugar वाले coated dry fruits. This is the almond variant. This is the cashew variant. And इसमें नीचे लिखा है that this is made with only almonds, cocoa and jaggery. And their ingredient list is clean. Wait. This is it. How come there's no oil in this? How did they just mix cocoa powder and jaggery and that becomes a coat-worthy thing? They have released the full thing, right? Its shelf life is only 6 months, which is good. I actually prefer things which have a smaller shelf life because A, फिर आप घर में उसमें होल्ड करके नहीं रखोगे. You keep ordering fresher stock. And B, उसमें lesser preservatives हो सकते हैं because the shelf life is lesser. So I like this. कहाँ से चालू करें यार? I think लड्डू से चालू करते हैं because this feels like a new product and this could be a good snack on the go जब ऐसे भूख लगती है ना. हाँ, कितने का? ये 59 का पैकेट है, which is not bad. Oh, these look like homemade laddus. Actually जो बचपन में मम्मी उन्होंने बनाती कि यही चॉकलेट है बोलने वाले खजूर के लड्डू. This looks like that. This tastes like that also. इसमें dates, almonds, cashews, cocoa, coconut, chia seed, vanilla extract and sea salt. This tastes like an Indian sweet. This does not taste like a chocolate alternative for sure. खजूर बर्फी वैसा taste आ रहा है इसका. Not the biggest fan of this. The Whole Foods करके ब्रांड है, उनके प्रोटीन बार्स का टेस्ट ऐसा ही आ रहा है. But I like those more than this. I would give this a 6 on 10. It's not bad at all, but I'm not the biggest fan. मुझे वो ज़्यादा पसंद आता है इसलिए. That's okay. We don't have to love everything, right? Next up, the dry fruits. I want to see how they look. Oh no, it does not. Now I understand why there's no oil. See, this does not have that silky chocolate coating. This is very hard. Listen to this. How is this going to taste? Sorry, I'm so sorry. I feel so bad because I know someone has made this with a lot of love. I don't think we should call this chocolate coated. It is chocolate, but इसमें chocolate का taste नहीं आ रहा. Melted chocolate नहीं होती, उसमें dip करके जो निकलता है ना, with a smooth silky outer coating, that is what I like. I would personally give this 3 on 10. If you like caramelized almonds का taste, then you will like this. This is just not for me, but that doesn't make it bad. तो dessert के बदले this is a very crunchy and nice snack. Cashews दिखते हैं. Yeah, it's the same. See, ये कुछ 85 rupees per packet था. और इसमें जैगरी का टेस्ट आ रहा है, कोको का नहीं आ रहा है मुझे टेस्ट. मोर कैरेमलाइज्ड एंड स्वीट. Seriously, I will not buy this again when I'm craving chocolate coated cashews. I would buy them if someone tells me they want to have caramelized cashews. Is how I would market them. Packaging is solid. You know when I said I like minimal packaging? Super minimal packaging. This gets a 9 on 10. As for the taste, I would give it 3 on 10 overall because I love chocolate and desserts and this will not substitute chocolate for me. This dolphin may not invest but might invest if they agree to like take that route. But currently, I might have to be out. I'm sorry. Very important update on Ruby's Organics. ये जो oily था ना, you can't apply it on your lashes if you have a makeup face like this because ये oil नीचे के लैशेस में आया और मेरी पूरी अंडर आई में तेल तेल हो गया इधर. नॉट a makeup product, it is a skincare product which can be used in your nighttime skincare routine probably, but can't be clubbed with makeup. Last brand for today, Surati Sarees. I remember their pitch. They're like, we want to be the Meesho is what they said or something they said of sarees कि कोई साड़ी का सोचो तो हमारे पास आए. To that I have to say, being a 26-year-old, this name doesn't call out to me, and I feel like कि हम ही shopping करे ज़्यादा online. Like my mom, if she wants to buy something, she will tell me to order it for her. तो हमारे generation को attract करना ज़रूरी है with the brand name, and I feel like it needs to be something more relatable and connect worthy. But look at the saree. Oh my god. कितनी सुंदर है. Their website was great. They had ready to wear sarees also, which is a perfect category for our generation and the generation after us. You know, it promotes the wearing of a saree. Of course, साड़ी पहनना आना चाहिए. It's an art form. लेकिन अगर नहीं भी आती और फिर भी पहननी है, then you have that option available, right? $5.99. Are you kidding? इसका material कितना अच्छा है. I would have shopped for more sarees from them during my wedding यार, for gifting and all. The fabric is amazing. Let's wear it and see what we think. Listen, before I show you the sari, please note I do not know how to wear a sari. इस basis पे judge मत करना, but I feel like it looks too good. Look at this. I know बहुत बुरी तरह पहनी है. I'll learn one day. But the sari, our material, it looks very regal and Maharani vibes. The shine, everything about this is too good. This has been my favorite brand so far. Very underrated. Branding, rebranding की बहुत ज़रूरत है. And they need to be available on Myntra, Amazon, everywhere. Plus उनके brand name में ये signify होना चाहिए that they are selling such good sarees and at an affordable price. So this was me trying all the Shark Tank products on my very own Dolphin Tank show. I hope ऐसा कोई show exist ना करता, मैंने तो मेरे मन से बोल दिया. But if you enjoyed watching this, comment down below which brands should I try next. And if you want any specific long form video, please वो भी बता दो, because I would love to make that for you. If you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel here. If you did not enjoy watching this video, bindas give it a thumbs down. I will see you in a brand new video very soon. Until then, goodbye.